Hey, welcome back to Mom Likely. Today in this segment we're going to be doing more cleaning and decorating. I'm going to finish up my fall decorating. I decided to switch a little bit to my Halloween. Last year I purchased a bunch of Hocus Pocus stuff because I figured that would be my theme I would go with for Halloween. And then this year the release of the movie came out, so I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I have like little Hocus Pocus all set up that I'll show you near the end of the video. I did a Halloween Hocus Pocus themed tree as well as a Hocus Pocus themed tiered tray. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and give my room a little sprucing up and change out the curtains. I really like the check curtains in here opposed to in the living room because these ones needed like something going on in here, like something fresh. So I'm glad to see some new ones in here. And thank you so much if you were following over on Instagram for coming back for today's video for the technical dilemmas I was having here. It took me quite a bit to get an upload out to you guys, but it's okay, we're resolving them and we're going to persevere. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up because that helps me so much. And also to tell me if you guys are still liking the videos in the style that I'm giving them to you. So let me know what you think.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Here in Michigan, we have the cloudy season, which basically, you know, we live under the clouds for like 6 months out of the year. And going into that season, a lot of people get seasonal depression and, you know, they get bored and we're stuck in the house and stuff. So don't underestimate the power of bringing some just seasonal colors into your environment and maybe like a fragrance. Smells are definitely my love language. So I love when things have a pop of color and smell good, and that helps brighten up my mood for sure. So bring that into your space too if you suffer from, you know, the seasonal changes in your mood. I also wanted to touch on here that if you are somebody that suffers from a lot of mood changes and just, just parenting in general is very hard. Life in general is hard. It's hard for everybody to navigate, and there's not many joys in life unless you're able to focus on the small things and see the good and be grateful. And I mean, that always sounds a lot easier said than done, but really trying to focus on, slowing it down and being more present in things, and just, who cares? Look at these pumpkins. These pumpkins are beautiful. Jordan loved the assortment of colors, and there's joy in that. I'm having these vision changes, and there's just joy in me taking steps, seeing colors, just, having the ability to be out. And, especially when it comes to the kids, just take some time to just let loose. None of this matters. Just enjoy our time here and be purposeful and positive. And enjoy yourself, and don't be so hard on yourself. Life is hard, work is hard, but sometimes you just gotta loosen up and find the joys in the small stuff, because you got to. Life is just too hard to not find the joy in the sweet things. There's not that many pleasures. So if you don't find the things that are pleasurable to you, I just feel like you won't be in a good mood ever. I love this man too. This was the amazing Fleck. Please go check him out on YouTube. His message was really positive. If you have kids interested in magic, I think he could be of help. Here it's starting to get chilly here in Michigan, so we've been to the cider mill, the Renaissance Festival. We've decorated spooky houses and had family pictures taken. And we also got to watch and enjoy the new Hocus Pocus 2 movie. Jordan and I really loved it. She loved it so much. We actually ended up watching both. The rest of the fall season is probably just going to be filled with school activities and maybe some new baking and recipes I'll probably try. But nonetheless, I just wanted to give you guys some motivation for this week. What, Jordan? Jordan wants to talk. What? You got scared of the movie. Tell him. You got scared during the first movie. It was the part where Binks passed at the first time, and then also when they stole the girl at first. She was a little spooked out by that, but she enjoyed it by the end, so that's good. That's all that matters. It was in good fun. Let me know down below what you guys think. Don't spoil it, because I know some people may not have seen it yet, but let me know your thoughts on it. I'm kind of in the middle. I did really enjoy it for what it was, but in terms of it being a part 2, Disney movies these days take on a different characteristics, I guess. All the new Disney films, it's different than in the 90s, and that's the only thing that I didn't like, but otherwise I really enjoyed the movie, and I still really love the storyline.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past, so insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
I'm absolutely obsessed with doing these seasonal trees, and I will continue to do this from this point forward. But if you guys are interested in any of the Hocus Pocus specific decor on my tree, I did get it from the Little Lumber Company on Etsy, and the majority of everything else on my tree is all from Dollar Tree. And of course, you can decorate any tree that you have on hand, but I went with this 5.5 foot tinsel tree from Walmart because it's smaller, so it also requires less decorations, if that makes sense, but I absolutely love it.
Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
I got these little K-pops from Amazon. I can't wait to keep adding to my Hocus Pocus theme for Halloween. I really love traditional colors when it comes to all decorating across the board, but I just love adding that extra little jazzy aspect to like make it fun, especially for the kids, because that way it's not like too serious, you know? My decorating style definitely needs like that extra little bit of spice, that little bit of jazz, that little whimsical piece in there, because that's just my decorating style. I say when it comes to decorating and making peace and, you know, enjoyment in your space, do whatever suits you and makes, you know, brings joy to your heart. But I just wanted to touch on, we went to Hobby Lobby and I just wanted to go check around and see what they had. The Christmas was bomb. I can't wait to go back. But speaking on Halloween, there was a group of ladies in there shopping together, and one was like, I'm not gonna tell my husband about this, and another one was just freaking out, and she's like, I'm gonna spend so much money, we're gonna spend so much money. And it was just so funny to hear that, because I'm just at a point in my self-growth journey where, yes, many things are beautiful and I would love to attain many, you know, material items, but I really know what I like, and I really know the type of things that bring me joy. I don't like to just get anything. I mean, if it was free, obviously I'm gonna take it, okay? But overall, like when it comes to choosing things, I'm very choosy and selective. Like that's just my personality style. And when I walked in there, things were beautiful, but I'm like, is this gonna go with my vibe? Is this gonna make me like, is this too much for me to manage in a given time with my other seasonal decor? So many things were beautiful, but it was really simple and easy for me to walk in, just look at everything and walk back out, because I'm at a point in life where like I know what I want out of stuff, and I don't want to become I don't let things become too overwhelming for me, for my sensory system in a moment when I'm trying to, you know, just enjoy being out. You know what I'm saying? Is this making sense? Let me know. Do you know what I mean? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you own an Etsy shop and you make book from Hocus Pocus, I'd love to see your work, because I possibly would like to purchase. So tag me in something if you have it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys got some enjoyment and positivity out of today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.